Cut half a lemon or a slice of lemon. Mix half a tablespoon of lemon juice that has just been squeezed with a teaspoon of Vaseline. Make a steam bath using large and small bowls by adding boiling water to the large bowl. Thoroughly mix the melted Vaseline with lemon juice. Wash your face with water to remove makeup. Before you start, make sure your face and neck are completely dry. Then, apply a thin coating of Vaseline mixed with lemon juice. Is a youthful appearance something you're after? This is a far better and easier alternative than purchasing anti-aging lotions. Discover the ultimate trick to silky, moisturized skin. After 2 weeks of using this mask, you will look exactly as you did when you were 10 years old. After applying the mask, give your skin 10 minutes to soak it up. After washing your face, blot it dry using a clean towel and run clean water over it. Let me show you another approach to rejuvenating your lips using Vaseline. 1 teaspoon of Vaseline oil, only 7 grams of sugar, a small amount of organic almond oil, some all-natural aloe vera gel. Combine all ingredients and mix until smooth. Massage this scrub all over your lips. After 10 minutes, wash off with warm water. Suddenly, your lips will look fuller, softer, and younger than before. Make sure you stay tuned till the very end. Using Vaseline, I will now demonstrate how to fix scratches on eyeglasses. Combine the Vaseline and toothpaste in a 1:1 ratio. Apply vanilla toothpaste to your glasses and wait for 20 minutes. A microfiber towel should now be used to delicately wipe the glasses. The result is really mind-blowing. To make sure your glasses are spotless, wipe them well. It may be necessary to perform the technique multiple times before you see any noticeable improvement. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to share it with your friends and loved ones. Also, like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. See you at the next one. Cheers!